this is called bird dog with hip extension. We're building onto that core stability now that we did from a position lying on your back or on your side. We're now moving onto all fours. So you move onto all four position. From there, like the cat and dog that you did previously, you're going to arch, tilt, arch, go halfway. Now from that halfway, that neutral position, you are then going to extend the hip out behind you, kicking out behind you. It's important to make sure that you keep neutral pelvis, so make sure that you're not arching and sagging the lower back. Keep the hips level, keep the pelvis neutral, stay rigid, and perform for the prescribed reps and sets. That's bird dog with hip extension.